Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Clubhouse app. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media platform where you can create a room and chat with your friends, and you can also hold events. On the home screen, if you scroll down, you will see events. Now to log out from the app, you have to tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the logout option. Now all you have to do is tap on logout and you will be logged out from the Clubhouse app. To log back into your account, you have to remember your phone number and then you have to verify your phone number, and then Clubhouse will let you into your account. And that's how you can log out from the Clubhouse app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.